Okay, quick update on this project. It's actually the day after, and I just received a call from the customer who he called to let us know that they were very happy with the repair and that they're going to be referring us to their sister property. So that is great news for us. But while I had him on the phone, I had to ask. I said, hey, I know you got other bids. Where did we come in on this? And he was very open and forthcoming with it. And he said, yeah, we did get other bids. And the other two bidders were actually mudjacking contractors, and they were more expensive. So, there you have it. It's easy to think that, hey, polyurethane, it's an engineered material. It's a superior repair. It's quick, it's clean, it's safe. It's not messy like mudjacking. It's got to be more money. I mean, that's an easy conclusion to come to unless you know differently. And we underbid mudjacking contractors on a daily basis. I can't explain why that is other than that we are very efficient, we're very aggressive on price, and concrete raising with polyurethane is our specialty. So, whether it's a municipal project, commercial one like this job, or residential, we regularly underbid mudjacking. And so we appreciate you watching this video, and we look forward to working with you in the future. Thanks.